Recording. Looks good. Looks good. It's recording. Let's look at this setup very carefully, guys. This setup with this 1800 rupees helmet. মনে তো হচ্ছে ঠিক করে একটু দূরে দেখে জিম জয়েন করেছি কাল থেকে ড্রাইভিং ক্লাস শুরু হবে পরশু থেকে জিম ক্লাস শুরু হবে হ্যাঁ কোথায় জয়েন করলি স্ট্যান্ডের কাছে চন্দননগর স্ট্যান্ড কাছাকাছি নেই কোথাও কে জানে আমি যাই না সে বলবো পরে সকাল 6টা থেকে খোলা সকাল 6টা থেকে বেলা 12টা সকাল 6টা থেকে বেলা 12টা পর্যন্ত কিংবা বিকাল 4:30 থেকে রাত 9টা সে যখন ইচ্ছে যাওয়া যাবে কিন্তু সে দেখ 1 ঘন্টা 1.5 ঘন্টা করে গেলেই তখন দিনে 1-1.5 ঘন্টা করে গেলেই এটা আবার জড়িয়ে যাবে না তো ও জড়াবে না ঠিক আছে চ ঠিক আছে off on off. Alright guys, let's go to check this setup, this GoPro helmet setup. Let's go today. Last time I had to fear the traffic police so much. I had to take the U-turn for the traffic police, but today no, I don't have to do that. Let me tell you the time first. Yeah, and man, the mirror gets dirty so easily. Make sure your mirrors are placed properly. Maybe I should keep one mirror like this so that I can easily see if the GoPro is recording like that. Oh, chhado ta hat dibe na 5:26 na ka porba na ja okay ja 5:26 let's go guys. Oh, how loud am I? A lot of things are getting checked right now, like how loud I am, plus lots of things. Oh god, what's wrong? What is wrong? How loud I am, the angle of the footage, this and that. And I think this helmet mount is going to hold the GoPro. Let's go. Let's turn this light on. Oh, I have to stop once to see the time. Need to look at the time first. Oops. 5:27. You can call it 5:30. Let's go. Oh, what do you call these things? We call it halvat. just need to turn left to see if the GoPro is recording. I'm not really sure which way to go, but let's just go for some time. I have built-in sunglasses in my helmet, but right now we don't really need the sunglasses. Having a little bit of trouble to talk because of the helmet, but I'll get used to it. Let's take the left turn. The helmet is squeezing on my cheeks, so yep, blinking. GoPro 10. God, you could not do this if you were living under the British era and you were an Indian. Then you could not do this. Back in those days, Indians didn't have so much freedom. How much of my voice is blocked by this helmet? That's a good question, eh? That's a good question. That's a good question. Oh God. The only thing I'm worried about right now a little bit, which is my voice. Hopefully my voice is clear. Continue going. That girl was looking at the setup. Let's continue going and I'll take the U-turn from the highway, the national highway. On the left you will see the water tank. Now it feels so good for some reason. This helmet feels like something. You feel protected when you are wearing the helmet, so that's something. Hanumanji flag over there, or maybe that was Ramji, Hanumanji, Lakshmanji. We add G at the end of a name to show respect. Like if your name is John and I can call you John Sir or Sir John, or in India you can call it John G, or in India it's Sir John, John Sir. These things are also very popular. Yeah, in West Bengal we speak English a lot. At least I do, and I have seen lots of people doing it too. Chandanagar stand, book fair. But in West Bengal, most of the time, in general, people speak Bengali. But there are lots of English medium schools in West Bengal. English is our official language, non-Bengali. Hindi and English equal official languages. God. Sound effects. It's so risky to drive. Let me show you how. Let me put the phone in my right pocket. The bike is on throttle lock and I have turned my phone on. Now I can record like this. Now I can record like this. You see? And it's so risky. I can also record like this, but this too is very risky because now I'm driving my bike with just one hand. So driving really slowly, but still it's little risky. Not that risky, but a little risky. So the GoPro setup is way safer than this. Now I'm putting my phone back in my pocket, which is taking a bit of time because I'm new to these pants. I have purchased these pants today for gymnasium, for gym. Okay. I'm joining the driving classes, the car driving classes. So many people are looking at me. I'm joining the car driving classes from tomorrow. Actually, they are looking at you guys. They're looking at the camera. That's what they are looking at. They're looking at the setup. So I'm joining. Yeah, blinking. I'm joining the car driving classes from tomorrow, and from the day after tomorrow, I'm joining the gym from 10. The gym from the 10th of May 2025. First time joining a gym. Chandanagar Highway subdivision. 1080p 25 frames per second. The sun has not set yet, but I should do these things in the middle of the day. Then this is going to be much clearer. But then it's too hot, right? Then it's too hot. Let's take this road. I think I have taken this road before. A long time ago I took this road. Long time ago. Maybe there is a dead end. I don't know. Oh god, maybe. এদিক দিয়ে যাওয়া যাবে বাদিক দিয়ে? Okay, that's good. My trainer Jishu Dibbendu, my bike trainer, 2 years ago showed me this road, and I have not come here for 2 years. That time this whole place was very wet because it rained. You have to ask people questions. That's something important. You need to ask people questions. Maybe they will answer, maybe they won't. It's better if they answer. It's okay if they don't. But you need to ask the question to know something from them. Man, you see the road? On the left, take a look on the left. There is a pond over there. Should I turn the lights on? Nah, let's not do it right now. these roads get really slippery. I can see the road. I can see the road. That's the Delhi road, I guess. That's the Delhi road. Yeah, surely that surely is the Delhi road. Mute. This is NH2, National Highway number 2. If you want to speak English, if you want to make English vlogs, do it, man, do it. It's your choice what language you speak. And if you especially live in West Bengal, it's a very common thing to speak in English in West Bengal. Well, at least I have made it very common, and I have seen lots of people doing it too. So safe food. Intersection. If you are vlogging in somebody else's private place, then you might need to ask for permission. But if you are vlogging in the public place, you need nobody's permission. You better remember that. By the way, I never ask for permission from anybody. That's a big lorry, man. That's a big lorry. SH30 NH2 Hornmaro, Dankuni 20 kilometers, Boidobati 6 kilometers. Man, these pants are feeling real good. Track pants. Cost me only 300 rupees. Don't miss my daily vlogs. I cover so many things on my daily vlogs. So I need to use the bathroom, the toilet for number 2. It's not that emergent, so I'll return, then I will do it. God. Should I take the left turn or should I continue going? Let's continue going for a little more, then I will take the left turn. Then I will take the U-turn. I will just continue going for a little more. Traffic police officer. Oh God. Thank God I am wearing the helmet. Yesterday, some traffic police officer stopped me. Okay. But I had all the documents saved in my phone. So they could not really find me. I will show you the way I saved the documents on my phone. Full brightness. This is an iPhone, so files. And over there somewhere, let me see if I can, yeah, over there. Over there. There everything is, have collected everything and put them together over here. Okay, you can see probably. And tomorrow I showed him this and like everything, the registration certificate of the bike, then pollution test, PUCC, then insurance, registration, pollution, insurance, and what's the other thing? Driving license. And I was wearing the helmet, so yeah, that's good. I think the only state in India where it's legal to motovlog like this is Karnataka. I think so. Other than that, it's legal in every other state. Man, I can't believe I'm going to learn to drive a car from tomorrow. I watched so many tutorial videos to learn to drive a car. So there was somebody sitting on the fence. I will go to the Utsa parking. I will show you the Utsa parking. They tell you to not record photos or videos in the Utsa parking. I had to go to Utsa parking to give my driving test. Take my driving test. I'm not going that fast. I am going at the speed of 5 kilometers per hour. I need to refuel my bike. I need to do that. Oh God, they surely are breaking the speed limit. On the right, that was Utsa parking. U-turn. Today I was having so much problem with UPI, so I had to ask for the hotspot. I safe life. It's a parking. I had to use their hotspot, and I connected my Wi-Fi with their hotspot, and that's how I could do it. That's how I could send them the money via UPI. Refuel my bike. That's where I am going to refuel my bike. Let's see how much it costs for the full tank. I'm not sure if I'm still in Chandanagar. My house is located in Chandanagar. I think this is Saraswati River. I think so. River Saraswati. If you are taking the driving test, you need to know these road signs like no U-turn, no parking, these traffic signs you need to know. I will deliberately go slowly where the traffic police people are to see if they catch me or stop me. I want to stop somewhere to have a drink. I mean non-alcoholic drink. Probably some fruit juice or some cold drink. Let's see. This helmet is just awesome and cost me only 1800 rupees. Violation. That's a violation. Speeding. You are speeding. What is the speed limit of this road? I need to keep my eyes on the road, otherwise it's very easy to get. Like you are riding like this, and if you don't keep your eyes on the street, you can go like that. Okay. I'll celebrate it go slowly so that maybe they will tell me to stop the recording. We will see. Maybe they will not stop me at all because I have got this camera with me. Let's see. They are, the traffic police people are. Most of the traffic police people I have encountered in West Bengal are corrupt. No, they didn't stop me. They didn't stop me. Oh God. God. You can do it. You can do it so openly. There was a guy peeing on the side of the road. And the sun is looking so great. Should I go to this pump, petrol pump, refuel my bike? Bharat Petroleum. তো ফুল করে দেবেন?
হ্যাঁ, আমাকে একবার ক্যামেরা দেখতে হবে, না দেখলে হবে না।
ঠিক আছে,
দেবো না,
ঠিক আছে। হ্যাঁ,
আজিজ দা এলো বলেছে, রামযতন দা কই দেখলাম না তো। এখন তো গাড়িতে 4 চাকাতে আসা ভালো,
ছিলাম না কত
গরমটা কম লাগবে।
বড় গাড়ি না, প্রয়োজন ছাড়া ভালো লাগে না।
ওদিক ওদিক ওদিক। अरे इधर लगा भाई।
এসে আমার নেটওয়ার্কের প্রবলেম হচ্ছে, আপনাদের খুব ইয়ে হটস্পটটা দিন না।
थोड़ा डालो। কি দেবো?
হটস্পটটা দিলে ভালো হয়, নেটওয়ার্কের প্রবলেম হচ্ছে।
হটস্পট কি করে দেবো?
আমার 300 টাকা দিয়ে দিয়েছে।
হটস্পট তো এইভাবে দেওয়া সম্ভব না ভাই।
দাঁড়ান দেখছি।
300 টাকা দিয়ে দেবেন?
কত হলো আমার যেন বললেন?
দিন ওরা করে গেছে ভাই।
হ্যাঁ, ওটা দিন।
যাওয়ার আগে কয়েকবার এসেছি।
চলো আমরা খেতে গেছিলাম বা কোনো কারণে হ্যাঁ,
आने का साधन है क्या? आने का साधन है,
বিলটা দিন, পেমেন্ট করে
बंद
দিন।
कर दो।
745 सदस्य। हाँ तो सब लोग इधर है, तो उधर है ये जो है ना भारत पेट्रोलियम लिखा हुआ है, उसके नीचे भारत पेट्रोलियम का ये जो ये ना बोर्ड है ना, ये जो पिलर है इधर से है, इधर से भी जा सकते हो।
स्कैनर व्हाट्सएप पहले बनिए वो
हाँ हो গেছে।
কারণ আমরা এখানকার হটস্পট নিয়ে আমরা করি, নিজস্ব আমাদের এখানে ইউজ করি।
বিলটা তো আমি রাখবো।
এটা আমার লাগবে।
ও আচ্ছা আপনার
মা বাবা
ও God. Turn the Wi-Fi off to save battery. We're still recording. It cost me almost 750 rupees for full tank. So you can call it 800 rupees for full tank. Will record. So I'll have to take another U-turn. speeding trail. So yeah, and these cars are surely taking to speed limit. Taken the U-turn from the intersection. There is a U-turn point nearby, but if I want to go to Bardhaman, that's what 80 kilometers away, then Mogra 15, Kolani 22. But today I am not going any far, because they are HPCL. That's another, yeah, that's another petrol pump. It's really safe to vlog like this, to motor vlog like this, in comparison to vlogging like this. God. Yeah, the U-turn point is coming. Yeah, still blinking. Wow. Because the battery is 2 years old, but the battery is performing real good. Yeah, right turn. Stay in. What's a stay in? Hotel and restaurant. Stay in. That boy. Oh man. Did you see how closely he passed me? How closely he overtook me? Oh god. Probably they didn't see my camera. God, look at the sky. That's awesome. Chandanagar More in 1 kilometer. We have done Pune, 22 kilometers away. Kolkata, 42 kilometers away. Then Tarokeshwar, 35 kilometers away. I have not yet started lifting the weights in the gym, but still I just have joined the gym and I'm still feeling so motivated, so optimistic. Wow. I can go to the gym 6 days a week, either on the morning time or at the night time. If I go there in the morning time today, I can't go there at the night time today. So you got the point? And it's open from 6 a.m. till 12 p.m. and then 4 p.m. till 9:30 p.m. So Hotel Sweet Dream, Nasipur, Chandanagar, Dankuni. Yeah, still blinking. I will try to get some mangoes today. Let's see if I can. Oh god. When did I purchase this GoPro train? Long time ago, man. Long time ago. More than 2 years ago. Yeah, blinking. Safer to keep the mirror like this, not adjusted for the GoPro. But if I want to see if the GoPro is recording, I can quickly turn the mirror to see. Then the mirror goes back to its place. Because it's happened so many times that the GoPro stopped recording and I was thinking it's recording and I kept talking for hours. because the sun has set. Last time I purchased the mangoes from there. This time, let's see if I can locate the mango place. Looking good. Always wear this helmet. The first reason why you should wear the helmet is that it protects you from the traffic challenge. That's the number one reason. Then the number second reason is for your own safety. You know what I mean? Yeah. Don't really need the light right now. Yeah, I saw a mango place on the left hand side, but that's not the place from where I purchased the mangoes last time. I got 10 pieces of Bombay mangoes for 100 rupees. That's a field on the left hand side. Over here. Let's take the U-turn and ask them if they are selling the mangoes today. Let's go. Let's make sure it's recording. It's recording. Let's see if the UPI is going to work this time. কি আম আছে এগুলো? কত টাকা কেজি? 2 কেজি দেখি, 2 কেজি। 2 কেজি। Two kgs of Bombay mangoes for 120 rupees.
मक्का ना लेवे के सीले का नाम गिर जाएगा चले चल पे ना ओए बच्चों क्या कहते वो पैकेट
खाना নুন
আনে
যাতে দুইটা দিয়ে থেমে যাবে আবার দেখে নিন মেপে দিচ্ছে একবার দেখে
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে
আস্তে কিলো দেবো দা
2 কেজি
2 কেজি
ওটা দিয়ে দিন ইউটিউব চ্যানেল নাম কি না
হ্যাঁ
ইউটিউব চ্যানেল নাম কি
ইউটিউব চ্যানেলের নাম মিস্টার বিস্ট মিস্টার বিস্ট কোথায় আপনাকে দেবো আগের বার করেছিলাম ওই নামটা একবার বলুন নামে চলে আসবে
অমিত সরকার
অমিত
সরকার
অমিত সরকার আসছেন একটু নাম্বারটাই বলুন
9836
36
983676
76
50
50
66 ওই ফ্যান আছে তোরা ওইটা দেখি কটা হয়েছে কটা হয়েছে 20 21 22 23 24 ও
হাফেরও হাফ আছে 50 গ্রাম করে কি দুটো দেবো
100 200 50 না 150 গ্রাম দে
হাফ তারও হাফ
150 গ্রাম দুটোই দে
আপনাদের একটু হটস্পটটা চালু করুন এখানে নেটওয়ার্কের প্রবলেম আছে
ওর সব তো চালু করতে পারি
কেউ যদি পারে এখানে নেটওয়ার্কের প্রবলেম এই যে অমিত সরকার এসছে 1 সেকেন্ড কত 120
দেখুন আমার
হয়ে গেছে Okay, guys. Let's see if it's still recording. Yeah, it's still recording. it's so dark right now. Not that dark, but recording, that's good. Need to overtake this Toto. It's so hard to know who you can trust just from the face. Next time, if I need to go out for motor vlogging or come out for photo vlogging, next time I'll do it in the morning time. Man, even I am having so much trouble to see clearly right now. station. Something. It's still recording, so it is something. But the thing is, I should have come here with the pouch bag. Then if I wanted, I could have stuffed the GoPro in the pouch bag. In general, most of the times we talk in general. Maybe depends. If I say we speak Bengali in West Bengal, what does that mean? That means in general in general people of West Bengal speak Bengali. Okay, so yeah, I'll very soon take the left turn and I will take the left turn very soon and I will pass by Chandanagar tram. I need to keep my bike clean. And you do need some guts to vlog like this out in the public, even if you are on your bike. But the more you do it, the easier it gets. Probably somebody is getting married. can keep the visor like this, half open, half closed. But let's just keep the visor open totally, because then it's easier for you to hear me. Or I don't know. It's partially open. My visor is partially open. Let's open this thing fully. On the left. BSNL customer service center, connecting India faster. Nobody becomes an expert in one day. It needs consistent effort, practice, repetition. Then after years, you become an expert. I need to check again if it is recording. Yes, it is. Guys, I'll post in the QR code at the end of the video, so consider it. Consider that. Yeah, consider the donation, because it's not free. It takes a lot of money to run YouTube channels, and YouTube is my full-time career, so I really appreciate you helping me. That's a win-win for you guys too, and for me too. Report. I'll have to take a right turn to show you guys the Chandanagar stand. You don't dictate me. No, not now. Later I will give you the speech in that tone. On the left hand side, Mamu shop. That's Chandanagar stand. I can see it. Can't help being something right now, because to drink something for me I'll have to take my helmet down, and which I don't want to do. So can't really drink something right now. If people want to understand what I'm saying, they will have to watch my blog. That's a convent school. This is Chandanagar stand, guys. I'll have to take the U-turn. My bike was stuck at neutral. Chandanagar strand. It's almost a kilometer long, 700 meters long. And I still can't believe tomorrow I'm going to learn to drive a car. 10 classes, half hours each class half hours long. So 5 hours. But I can tell them to compile the classes that way, 5 1 hour long classes. But maybe the first 2 classes are just going to be half an hour long. We will see. Today is Thursday. If you live around in the Hooghly district or anywhere near Kolkata, you can easily come here. It's in Chandanagar. You can come here like via train. If you come here via train, then from Chandanagar station you need to tell the totals to take you to Chandanagar stand, or you can use your GPS and you can walk for half an hour from Chandanagar station. Jolosh, that's a floating restaurant. Well, peasants only think in terms of money. I'm not a peasant, so I don't think in terms of money. For the peasants, if they are not earning money, then nothing is happening, or if they don't earn money, then nothing will happen. But that's not the same with me. petrol pump. I need to make sure that these videos are always safe, because yeah, these videos need to be safe. I am uploading the videos not only on YouTube but on Rumble, Odyssey. So Rumble, Odyssey, these are decentralized. These are like decentralized YouTube. So yeah, probably, but I have to be very careful about my videos. Cannot leave the video again. I could have purchased an e-scooter, but no, I purchased an e-cycle. Because yeah, you can tell me why I purchased an e-cycle instead of an e-scooty. You can tell me. Let's go get some 5 stars. Last time he was telling me that he has seen people wearing their GoPros on their helmets, but not on their heads. So today, let's leave it for some other day. Because today right now I just want to go back to my home. I need to take a big dump. Yeah. Then need to take a big dump. Then need to, let's go there. I cannot decide. On the left, we have got more supermarket. Happened to the street lights, man. They are glowing so dimly. They are so dim. Man, the GoPro is still blinking. That's awesome. cuisine of India, Dhaba India. On the right hand side, Ganganagar Strand, but it's currently under construction. There. All these houses are broken, and I think these houses were built illegally, or the stores were built illegally. That's why they are broken. On the left we have got Chandanagar station. Let's go. We need to go straight. Everybody doesn't have to like vlogs. I don't have to like somebody else's face. That doesn't mean I'm going to throw acid on their face. No. the GoPro makers. Salute. Salute the people who have built the GoPro batteries. And I have kept the displays on, so that's helping to extend the battery life of my GoPro. Man, there are so many people right now not stopping some other time. Let's just go back. Let's just go back. WD-RE-S2876. I could clearly read the number. Should not be speeding. You literally can trust the people around here, especially if you live in this locality, Patropara, especially then. Man, there are some girls taking dance classes, but they generally do it on Saturdays and Sundays. God, look at this road. Bloody hell. And I'm back, and it's recording. God, that's awesome. How long did this GoPro record for? I don't know, but let me quickly record the outro for this vlog. But for that, I'll have to take off my helmet, then hold it like this, and now I'm recording the outro. I hope the angle of the GoPro was right. I hope so. Where is the key? Where is the key of my bike? Maybe I did not take the key with me. Probably I didn't take the key with me. Some people are thinking, Koi! Hello! And this is awesome. Take a look, take a good look at my bike. Bajaj Platina 100. It's not a scooty, it's a bike. WB16BL 4357. I hope the angle of the GoPro was right. Hey, তাড়াতাড়ি খোলো। 1 ঘন্টা ধরে দাঁড় করিয়ে রাখে। Oh God. Oh man. লাইট জ্বালা। জুতো খুলছি। Let's see. Oh, 1 hour 30 minutes. It's recording continuously for 1 hour and 30 minutes. That's awesome. That's just awesome. Some motovloggers don't like showing their setup, but I do like showing my setup like that. And that's the end of this vlog, guys. And if you want to see my daily vlogs or more such vlogs, then do subscribe. Do subscribe.
Do subscribe.
Subscribe spelling well. Subscribe spelling.
Subscribe. SUBSCRIBE.
Okay, got that right. Alright guys, see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.